go again to all viewers, brothers and sisters around the world, tourists, and especially new here in Dubai, UAE. Welcome to my channel. So my channel is giving you information how to use null card and a lot of cards, and information regarding with a lot of places and charitable works and Word of God. For now, we're going to focus here in null card silver. So you might ask, what if I don't have cash with me? So no need to worry. You can use your debit card or credit card. So you can top up this null card or recharge. You go to the metro station. From the metro station, you don't have money, just tap this one, put it there in the machine. Anyway, you're gonna see in actual, not only just I'm talking, but I'm going to teach you also. I made a video for you to easily to understand what I'm talking about. So from this, I'm gonna use this debit card or credit card. Another bonus of this video. Okay, aside from top up or recharge, now I'm going to teach you also, and then I'll show you also how to use this null card silver in a convenience store. There is a convenience store here which is near in metro station. Normally that is located in the metro station only. And not only in metro station, you're gonna find this Zoom convenience store like 7-Eleven. If you know about Zoom, that one is located in the metro or in Enoch gasoline station. From this video, I'm going to show you also how to use this null card. It's like for example, this is like money or card as well. So from this null card, like for example, you will buy mobile cards like Etisalat, Do, or anything that you want to buy, you can use this null card as well. So from that video also, I will show you what is inside the Zoom convenience store. At least you have idea what I'm talking about. Not only just I'm talking, but I will show you in actual how to use it. So what we are waiting for, watch this video, and please subscribe my channel, support this channel, because this channel is, I'm not just making a video for myself. My goal is to help all the viewers and all nationalities here in Dubai, and especially to all tourists that wants to visit Dubai. So what we're waiting for, watch this video and see you there. Alright, here we go again. So to all viewers, now I'm going to teach you how to recharge or top up using debit card or credit card in null card machine. So I'm going to teach you from there. See, card top up and card services. So you choose, just press card top up, and example, I'm going to top up or recharge 10 dirham. See, from there I top up and select. You see, credit card and debit card are same, so no problem with that. Okay, I press it, and then use your debit card or top up. Just tap there, see. Okay, scanning. Alright, so after that, you can have a look if it is successful there. So have a look for a while, just a minute or so. You see the check. So once it's checked, meaning it's okay. So operation in progress. Don't remove your card because they're recharging. See, transaction succeeded. Take your bank card and your transport card. Have a nice day, and print the receipt over there. Just print the receipt, and then after you press the receipt, please collect your receipt in down machine. Thank you. Alright, now we are here in Alporjan metro station. So from this video is I'm going to show you where is the convenience store, Zoom mini market or convenience store. Normally you located this one in the cashier or top up area from the right side. From this video I will show you also. Alright, all viewers, now we are here in Zoom convenience store. From there, we're going to use the null card silver, and then the crew is there. I'm going to buy Etisalat mobile card. So from there, I'll buy 30 dirham Etisalat. Now just pressing 30 dirham. So it's reading because of the signal. So my null card, there is money inside. Alright, from there he just tap, and then the machine is scanning if there is a money inside. So normally this is fast, but because most of the signal is slow, it depends. Sometimes signal is slow, sometimes the signal is fast. So from this video you can see, from this video is a little bit slower because of the signal, but still reading this video. And after tap, you're gonna find out if it is accepted or not. See? Alright, so green meaning accepted. So there is a money inside. Alright, so it's green meaning check. Check means accepted. Alright, and from this video also I'm showing you there is a receipt. Receipt is very important. So this is your backup, that just in case anything happen, you have a receipt with you to show that you purchased something. So from this video also, I'm going to show you also the the Etisalat mobile card. See, so I purchased Etisalat mobile cards, which is 30 dirham. See, all right, so 30 dirham Etisalat mobile card. And then there is a receipt as well. See, have a look the receipt. The receipt is there. So Zoom Supermarket, like I'm said, is company of Enoch. Enoch. Normally you're gonna find the Enoch in it's a gasoline station. Yes. Okay. From there you're gonna find out the receipt as well. So that is your backup just in case anything happen. Okay. Alright, and please share this video to all viewers. I hope this video help a lot of the tourists, especially new here in UAE. So remember, use your null card silver for a convenience store like Zoom. Yeah, alright. So thank you so much, by the way, to all viewers for your support of this channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Later on also I'll show you. Okay, so this is the inside, what is inside the Zoom convenience store. Zoom convenience store is like similar with the 7-Eleven. If you're familiar with 7-Eleven, almost similar, because inside the Zoom you're gonna find a lot of things. You can buy also the mobile cards, you can buy some chocolates, candies, juices, soft drinks. In short, is a convenience store like I'm said. So from this video I'll show you also what I'm talking about, the Zoom convenience store. Yeah. Okay, so C, Zoom convenience store. Alright? Alright, thank you. Alright, here we go again. By the way, thank you so much to all subscribers. Thank you so much to all viewers for watching my video. I hope this video help you a lot, especially how to recharge and top up the null card silver. Not only that one, how to use this null card in a convenience store like Zoom. I repeat again, you're gonna find the Zoom convenience store in a Dubai Metro or in a gasoline station, Enoch. So I hope this video help you a lot. And to all viewers, brothers and sisters, if you want to, want to donate or you want to thank this video because this video help you a lot, there is a thank button and feel free to send. And this money, I'll collect all of the money, and this money I'm going to share to all our brothers and sisters, especially in the Philippines, to the poorest of the poor for our another outreach program. So this channel is not just normal channel. This channel, whatever I earn from this channel, 10% or more will be donated to the charitable works, outreach program, and other. Have you seen my video? A lot of video I've made it, which is I already help a lot of people. So please support this channel, share this video, and I will pray for you also. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Bye.